Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can restore default settings in safe mode on PS5. So to restore default settings, this means all the settings that you have on PS5 will be restored to default. No applications, no games will be deleted, right? So what you need to do here on your PS5 is completely turn PS5 off. There should be no lights here. And then you need to connect your PS5 controller to wire, to a cable. And then what you need to do here is to press and hold power button of your PS5 until you get two beeps. So the first one, and then hold it until you get the second beep. And the second beep. Then you just need to wait. I will switch to my PS5 screen. And then here, what we need to do here, we need to wait for a couple of seconds, then press PlayStation button. And then here, the fifth option will be restore default settings. Press on that and press yes, right? And that's pretty much it.